Firing up the grill for a casual weeknight dinner? Yes, you absolutely should, especially when it's this hot honey grilled salmon and these beautiful grilled peppers. It's quick, it's easy, so flavorful, absolutely lights out. You're gonna come back to this one pretty much every Wednesday. When I'm meal planning at home, I always go protein, veggie, carbs. It's like the foolproof formula for putting together a simple meal. So today, protein, salmon, veggies. We're gonna do some marinated grilled peppers, and then I've got some really quick rice on the side. Easy, delicious, quick weeknight meal. That's what it's all about. So we're gonna start by seasoning our salmon. I've got 4 skin-on fillets, so I'm doing a hot honey salmon tonight. So I'm starting with my spicy sweet rub, a little bit of sweet, a little bit of heat. I do like to cook skin on the grill. Fish is notorious for sticking to grill grates. We don't want that to happen, and the salmon's ready to go. So one thing I love about a pre-packaged seasoning is it takes a couple minutes off of prep, but you can make this from scratch. I have the recipe on my website. Now let's go over here and talk about how I have my grill set up to cook fish. I'm setting my charcoal grill up for 2-zone cooking. This works great on propane as well. It means I want half of my grill with direct heat, high heat, and the other half with no heat underneath. This will give me an indirect zone for cooking my salmon. It'll help prevent sticking, but also burning because we have a little bit of brown sugar in our rub. Now I know my charcoal is ready when it's ashed over across the top, nice and gray, and you can kind of see those red glowing embers underneath. Grill is set up, it's preheated, it's time for our BBQ Pro Tip. This is a paper towel, these are my tongs. This is a high heat cooking oil like avocado oil. You could use canola or vegetable oil. I'm gonna saturate the end of my paper towel and then lightly brush this on my grates. This will help prevent that salmon from sticking to the grill while it slow cooks over that indirect heat. Grill is prepped and ready. Salmon is going on our indirect heat side. Close the lid, let it cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. I'm looking for an internal temperature of about 135 degrees Fahrenheit. In the thickest part of the fish. While the salmon's cooking indirect, we're gonna prep our side. This one comes from the Hey Grill Hey cookbook, quick and easy marinated grilled peppers. I think they're a flavorful side dish on their own, but they're awesome when they're paired with a really great rich protein because they're light and sweet and flavorful. So we're just gonna cut these cheeks off of the peppers. We aren't cutting them into strips. So each indent, cut down that side, and that becomes a new little cheek for you to grill. Added bonus, it keeps most of the seeds and this pithy part on the inside. Now you can chop off the bottoms and that becomes another perfect piece you can grill. Now the peppers go into a bag or a bowl for a very quick and zesty marinade. I like to eyeball. I'm gonna do a little bit of olive oil. This is gonna help the skins blister, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, lemon zest, lemon juice, and then just give these a nice massage. So the seasonings, the oil, the lemon zest, the lemon juice is on all sides of the pepper. And these will just marinate for the next 5 to 10 minutes until our salmon is ready to be sauced. Salmon's been on about 10 minutes. We gotta check for temp. We're looking for an internal temperature of about 135. These are starting to take on a beautiful golden brown color. Now it's time to sauce. If you're not a sauce person, you could just let these roll till about 140, 145. But we're doing a hot honey salmon. It's all about the flavor, that sweet and spicy zip. So this gets a little drizzle with the sauce and then just a smooth brush over with your basting brush to make sure it's evenly coated. Now it's time to put on our peppers. These are just going right on the direct heat side of the grill. Close it up. 2 to 3 minutes for some color on the first side. We'll give them a flip and then everything will be ready at the same time. It's time for my, and apparently your, favorite part of each episode. It's barbecue ASMR. Ready? That one was pretty gentle today. I kind of liked it. It was nice. See how easy that slides off of the grill? Oh my goodness. Salmon is done, peppers are done. I got a little bit of rice ready to go. So simple to serve. I like to do these in bowls for even a quick lunch. Beautiful salmon, couple of these gorgeous pepper cheeks and ends with all of that flavor from the charcoal grill. You can garnish however you like. I love a little bit of chive. To me, that's a perfectly balanced meal. Tons of flavor. You have to see this part. I was just gonna pick it up and eat it, but this is also the magic of a perfectly cooked salmon. The skin stays behind. It's not necessarily crispy, but the salmon was perfectly cooked on top, so it just slides right off for an absolutely delicious bite. That is lights out. So much flavor. Just the right amount of smoke from the grill without being too smoky. That's delicious. You know what time it is? I know what time it is. It's taste test Todd time. I got you a bite. A little bit of salmon, a little bit of rice.
Ooh, tastes like barbecue salmon.
Mm-hmm. Little char grilled pepper.
You can feed me any day.
It's my full-time job, actually. I know this one's a keeper. You can get the full recipe in the video description. Let me know your favorite flavor profiles for cooking salmon or your favorite combos for a quick weeknight meal. Protein, veg, side. What you got, because I'm always looking for some new inspiration and ideas for my family.
So good.
I know. If you want to be a backyard barbecue hero, I hope this one inspires you. Come back next week, subscribe to the channel. We're bringing you new, amazing backyard barbecue recipes that you can make for your family and friends every single week. It's bobsled time! Oh, I didn't seal it all the way. A little spicy.
Yeah.
How am I so clumsy today?